Hi there, welcome here.
What's up, Croatian news? What's up, baby?
Is it a good feeling to be here in Spain?
It's great. I'm having fun. I'm cliff diving. I ate the, what is it called? Chapapi. I did everything here.
Just tell me, this reaction, this crazy reaction of yours, is this something that you're used to?
I'm very used to it. Every country I go to is like this. We turn up, we get lit. We have fun, baby.
Just let me say, where did you travel so far? All around the world. Where did you go?
51 countries.
56.
56 countries. Hey, Croatia, I love y'all, man. We turning up. Let's go. Ronaldo for life.
Is there one more thing, one more question? Something that you will remember from Spain, from Croatia? Is this the first time here?
Yes, my first time here. One thing I will remember from Croatia is the people here. The people bring out so much energy. Like look, everybody here is clipped out and having fun.
Is this us?
The energy here.
Will you come again?
Yes, I will.